The biggest mistake people make when following a keto diet is eating keto and not actually being in ketosis. What does that mean? That means you're eating high fat, but you're not actually in ketosis, so your body isn't actually using fat for fuel, and therefore you are not going to be losing weight or working towards your goals in the right way. So if you're not actually in ketosis, you need to figure out how to get into ketosis. Some people have a really, really hard time at that, but with me, all I have to do is drink ketones and I can be in deep ketosis in 1 hour. So check this out. So this morning when I woke up, I tested my ketone levels using my blood meter and they were 0.4, which is not ketosis. So now I'm mixing up my pure therapeutic ketones. This is an all-natural ketone supplement, no fillers, no chemicals, straight ketones. So I'm mixing them and I stir mine because I use sparkling water. So I'm gonna drink these and then in 1 hour, I'm gonna be in deep ketosis. All right, now I'm gonna drink my ketones and it's been an hour. My ketones are done, so now I'm gonna test my ketone level. I went from 0.4 to 2.7 in 1 hour, and that is considered deep ketosis. Give me a follow and comment the word sample to try them.